Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Debbie Yosebe. Thank you so much for clicking to watch this video. I know you are going to like it, so make sure you watch until the end. So in today's video, I'm going to give you a bed sitter house tour. I know some of you will be like, why is she seated in between the shoes and the bed? That's why I'm here to give you the house tour. So don't worry, I'm going to explain each and everything and how we tried to make this space or this house to fit in this small space. Okay, so I'm going to show you everything, so make sure you watch. I'm sure you are going to like this video, so let's get started. So I'm going to give you small tours on every section and then I explain what it is. Okay,
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you.
so this is the bed. I just love the pillows, they are so beautiful, pink in color. And then we have the white bed sheet, and then we have the beautiful duvets. Okay, so it's so comfy. Yeah, this is how this place looks like, and I'll just give it a yes, a 10 over 10. I just love the way everything looks like. I'll give it a 10 over 10. What do you guys give this bed? I'm just voting for the bed side. For me, I'll give it a 10 over 10. What about you? Looks so good. Yeah, so let's get the other part.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
So right from the door we have the part where we cook. This is our meko, the cooker. Okay, so this is how this part looks like. We have our flour, rice, cooking oil, and then we have our cooking pots or sufurias down here. And this part we have the cylinder. So this is how this place looks like. And this table, it's a kitchen table, not a cooking table, it's a kitchen table. So this is where we place everything over here. Okay, so right opposite we have the sink. Right opposite we have the sink.
Stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain.
So we cook from that part and then we wash our utensils from this place. So yeah, we have the kettle, we have the cooking sticks, and then yes. So guys, after that we have down here where we place our utensils and everything. I don't know why this phone is doing this way, really. So down there we place our utensils, because you guys, this house is so small, so you have to look for every space, you know. So yeah, the cooking utensils are placed there, and then we have this gel can for drinking water, and this, oh no, the drum is for drinking water, and even this one also, it holds drinking water. And this is our juice. It's almost over. So that is from this part actually. And then there we place sugar, tea leaves and everything. That is it about these two places, the sink and the kitchen. So let's go to somewhere else.
As you fade.
We have this reading table where we have these are Bibles, guys. We are Christians. We have the Bibles, two Bibles, one for vernacular and the other one for English. So we have money. This is for lunch. And then we have this beautiful jug and glass, and this is my cup. I was taking coffee some few minutes ago. So yeah, and then I have biscuits, and then we have that beautiful mirror over there, guys. You know, the mirror is everything in the house, so I placed it here because I wanted to see how I look and how I eat. And because, you know, the door is right from that side, so all the light is, it's against the lights, okay? So that's why you can see it looks clear. Okay, so that's why it's here. So this is the part. We have the shoe rack over there. This girl got a lot of shoes, okay? And this is the shower, one for the shower. It's working. So we have the shoe rack there, and then we have bags for clothes. As simple as that. That's the broom we use to wash the bathroom. And then we have down there we have the everything, you know, the toothbrush, soap, the washing powder, and everything. And then we have the shower. Yes, so basically that's the house tour of this beautiful bedsitter. The space is so tiny, yes, we understand, but how everything is arranged here, it's so beautiful, and that makes it to be awesome. So this part is for the shoes, and then we have them here, you guys. I don't know if you are able to see down there. We have the hoofer for the music. Maybe when you are just alone, you are chilling, you can put your music there. So we have the hoofer in this house, but it's under the bed because that's where the socket is. The socket is behind the bed, so that's why this hoover is on this side, okay? Or that's why it's under the bed, because where else would it be? It's just perfect there. So, and then I told you this part here, this is the door. Yeah, so this is the main entrance. So when you just come in, you get these bags, and then you close on this pathway where I'm seated, and then you have the shoe rack, and then you have the bed. And then as you continue going, you go outside the door to the balcony, and then on the other side we have the reading table. This side down there we have the cooking place, and then there on that corner we have the sink and where the utensils are and everything. Yeah, to do with cereals, everything there on that side. And then on this side, right after this shoe rack, we have a door which heads to the bathroom, okay? So there we have the bathroom and we have the toilet over there, okay? So that is how this house looks like. I believe it's the cutest house I've seen so far. It's not my house, guys, even though some parts you've been hearing me say, this house, we have done this, we have done that. No, it's my friend's house, and I'm saying that because it always clicks in my mind, because when I'm here, it looks like I'm in my home, you know, and I'm so comfortable until it sounds like it's my home. Okay, so this is my friend's house, and I love it, and it's so beautiful. So I call it my home because the way she treats me. Okay, I just do things like I'm in my own house. I'm not saying I'm trying to be the owner of the house or something like that, but the way I do things just looks like I'm in my home, because there's nobody who's going to tell you're doing this is not your house, you're doing this bad. No. That's why you've been hearing me say our house, these things we need to place them here, these things we have placed them here, nini. So because my friend treats me well and I love her so much, and I believe she loves me too because she's my friend and I'm her friend. So yeah, so guys, that is it, and that was the beautiful house tour of this house. You guys, make sure you subscribe if you've watched until this part, and give the video a like. Comment down below, give me the reviews of the bed. Don't forget, give me the, not the review, the, what? We were voting for this bed, how it looks, okay? So make sure you comment down below if you're watching the video. Make sure you comment, please. Please, please, please comment. And you can share the video with your friends. You can tell your friends about my channel. As I always do, I recommend other people's YouTube channels. So, yeah. So make sure you give the video a like and comment down below, okay? So I love you so much, guys. Bye bye, until next time. See you in my next video. Bye.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.